There's some. Are they alive?
Yeah.
Well, how can you tell?
Showtime, guys.
Oh, and rats.
It's mongoose.
Oh, mongoose. Oh, is this where they have the show? Maybe those are the losers. Those are the losers.
Giant ass.
Hey, excuse me. What's the language? We're blogging.
Ferret.
So I think he's the winner of the mongoose versus snake fight.
Ooh, chinchillas.
I think these guys are like this. Like I hate our neighbors, man. Can't wait to get them. It's like putting the Bloods in the Crips. Like,
Right, no kidding, right? Okay, where are we going? More here? This way? Oh, entrance. We haven't even going yet. What are those? Just a teaser? Teaser snakes?
Teaser dead snakes.
Teaser dead snakes. It gets better than this, people, because they're not dead after this. I like these little gnome elf people.
Oh, the next show is at noon.
Oh. Okay, well, we can just look at them. Ew, look, the mongoose.
Ooh, skin.
Wow. Hello. That is huge. Holy cow, I wonder what that snake looked like alive. Snake. Wow. Habu and mongoose. There is habu and mongoose shows. Oh, look at the snakeskin bracelets. I'd have to shop.
Look at that snake. I mean that skin. Where's that skin from?
It's pretty wallets.
Yeah.
Can you eat stuff? I think this is like the tequila with the snake inside. Habusaki.
I thought it was like some kind of like exhibition.
Like Habusaki, right?
Like a live.
I don't know what it is. Habu powder, dry snake.